Hey VJ, it's Bethany, and I just wanted to wish you a happy closing day. You made it. I wanted to give you a little walkthrough of your house. It looks so beautiful, VJ, and I'm really excited for you and Sri on your new adventure. Congratulations, and hang tight. Let's do a quick walkthrough of your property. Is really great. The location is super convenient to South First Street. It is literally right off South First Street. Just couldn't be a better location. Attic stock and stuff. That's the epoxy garage floor. They left you this little garage fridge that goes. BJ, it's perfect. Perfectly tidy. Perfectly clean. Maintained and clean, BJ.